was getting a lot of people asking me about installing NBA 2K13 on the PC. So this is like the best bet. I'm gonna put the links in the description box, obviously. But what you gotta do is you have to go on this site. It's called gamingdragons.com. And what you do is you go up in the search bar and you type NBA 2K13. So once you search it, as you see right here, here goes NBA 2K13 on their website, and it's $6.48. They got it on sale right now, which is crazy, but it's normally $30. So what you would do is you would go to buy now, you would go to checkout, type in your info or whatever, you get like a buyer's protection from it. I think the thing that I used was, I think it was the Skrill one. And then when you use the Skrill to pay, or you could just use your PayPal if you got one, you could do it that way. I think I did this one, but I think also you could do this. So basically you go, pay for it, boom. What happens is, if you check your email after the fact, because it's gonna ask you for your email and whatnot, then it will hit you with a code, and that code is what you use. I'm obviously not gonna show my Gmail right now because I don't want to show the code to the thing, but I'm just trying to be cautious. So after you pay for this, boom, right, you go here and it's gonna have you install some stuff or whatever. Now you have the little NBA 2K13 setup right here, which is, you click on it, boom. It'll show, the screen on setting it up, blah, blah, blah. You go ahead, you type in the little code that it gives you on your email. And after you install everything, you basically have the application and these two bin folders, or these two bin files right here. So you have two bin files and the NBA 2K13 setup. After you do all of that, I think it might keyword might trip out, but if you have to restart your computer, it'll do whatever it need to do, because sometimes, I remember the first time I did it, actually it was bugging out. So then after I did that, I restarted my computer, I got the code again, I put it in, boom. Now when I click on NBA 2K13, it just loads up like this. But what I did do is, since I'm running a mod on the game itself, basically I don't have the regular NBA 2K13. So I'm just gonna put some bull, I don't know, I'm just gonna put some stuff on here and just sign out of this. So as you see, my NBA 2K13 doesn't look like a regular NBA 2K13, and it's because I have reached out even further and was going to Reddit group chats and trying to figure out stuff. And I end up finding this one person that makes the mods for NBA 2K13 and 2K14. So I basically have 2K13 remastered, and it's remastered to NBA 2K25 at the moment. Basically I have my career that I've been playing on, and also the rosters and everything. Shout out to URB though. They are the people, working behind the scenes, making everything possible for this. So if I load up the roster, boom, there you go. You got all the more recent stuff from 2026. You feel me? And if you wanted to get this, I'll put the link in the description box. Obviously, I'm not gonna, beat around the bush on stuff like that. But yeah, after you you get familiar with all that other stuff, bro, it comes to you like that. So I would say try looking up, videos from other creators. Hopefully people are like, being, not nonchalant, but you just want to make sure that you're not installing a virus into your computer. I know. But yeah, so this is like, a little breakdown on how I had 2K13 installed on my PC. It's not that hard, but also from the Gaming Dragons website, after you purchase it, it also gives you a set of instructions to follow. So that way you can, you know what I'm saying, do that. But if you did enjoy this little like tutorial breakdown on how to do it, give me a thumbs up, share the video, and most definitely I'll keep y'all posted on more videos I drop in the future. Not tutorial stuff based like this, but more or less like some other gaming content that I'll be dropping anyway. So yeah, it's your boy OB Juice signing out. Peace.